Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me for another Mascara Monday. This is where I test out a new mascara for you every single Monday so you can see how it applies and how it wears throughout the day. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the mascara that we are testing out today is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. So the claims for this mascara is it is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So I am not going to be testing it out for 16 hours, but we will get a good 10 to 12 hours out of this mascara. So I feel like that's a long enough test for me at least. And they refer to the wand as a confidence. Get it? Booster brush, which mimics the curves of your lash line to build volume from root to tip. I also really dig in the packaging of this. I think it's super cute. I'm excited to use the wand. So let's go ahead and see how this applies. So here's the mascara with 2 coats on both eyes. I definitely can see the claims for the flutter appearance. I feel like my lashes are very fluttery, very voluminous looking. I think it looks really good. The formula is very dry, so if you don't like dry formulas, you might not like this one. The wand was really easy to work with. I think that it really did a good job of coating all my lashes, and it didn't clump up on me at all, even with going in with the second coat. So I am liking it so far. We'll see how it wears throughout the day, and then I will check in with you guys at the end of the night. All right, here we are, guys. It is the end of the night. It has been on for a full 12 hours now. So it's not the entire time that it's advertised for, but still, like I said, it's good enough for me. So this is what it's looking like. There is a little bit of flaking right here. There was some right here as well. Just a little bit, not too much. I think the mascara looks good. I did like it. I like the way it looked, and I feel like it's held up really well. The thing is that it just didn't wow me, and for it being a higher end mascara, being more pricier than some of the drugstore mascaras that I love, I just would probably pass on it. I feel like I can get drugstore mascaras that look just as good as this one, but I don't really have any major complaints about it. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. See you next Monday. Bye.